See you later. Aiden was smart. Yeah. Daddy's making a snow angel. I think Daddy's in pain. How's your butt feel?
This time I landed. Then right on the board.
Hey, was it fun? What did Daddy do?
He like jumped off.
No, you jumped off. You cheated.
Oh, yeah.
Aiden cheated.
I was holding on to him and then he slipped through my hands.
He squirmed out. Does it really hurt?